Hi everybody, my name is Lina Smile and welcome to my channel. It's February 19th, 8:35 at night. In the last few weeks, it has become my routine to do some seed sowing at bedtime. I find it relaxing, although it doesn't interfere with my sleep because I could get carried away. I found myself sowing until midnight, so it doesn't really. I would only do that on the weekends, but anyway, I have these little containers here for to sow seeds that I'm looking to stratify. Last year I did winter sowing, it did okay, but with these types of seeds that I'm wanting to start, I want it to be more of I want to monitor it more. With winter sowing, you just let it sit and then let Mother Nature do its thing. But here, I want to make sure that I'll do my best abilities to make sure that seeds that I'm sowing tonight make it. So what is stratifying? Stratifying is when you put the seeds to a cold period to help the seed coat, or to help give the seed the signal that they're ready to germinate and that they should melt their seed coats and start growing. It's an evolutionary adaptation just for the seeds to ensure that their seeds that they produce germinate at the right time, which makes it tricky if you're trying to propagate them yourself. I have 12 little containers here. These are from Dollarama. It's a food container, like food prep container. 12 can fit in this is a 15-liter container, also from Dollarama. I do have some little drainage holes over there. I filled the bottom with vermiculite because I'm using seed starting mix. I want to make sure that that the seed starting mix remain moist throughout the entire time, and the vermiculite helps absorb water and release it once the plant needs them. It also keeps the soil from going through because the vermiculite doesn't flow out of the holes that I made, but it still allows for good drainage. So let's get sowing.
I've chosen to stratify seeds that I've been having trouble stratifying using the paper baggie method, especially the Ligularia and Simicifuga. They basically just rotted after I took them out from the fridge after a 6-week of cooler temperatures. I'm also stratifying annual seeds that have trouble germinating, such as Buplurum, Bells of Ireland. Bells of Ireland, I've never been able to start normally, but Buplurum, I put them in a paper bag using the paper baggie method in the basement, which is cooler, and I have them germinating now. So I'm happy about that. So after I put all the seeds, or sowed the seeds, I put them all in this box. They stayed there indoors for 2 days just to imbibe the seeds, and now they're happily in my front porch getting stratified. If you reached the end of this video, thanks so much for watching. Try to show up here every Thursday, and until I see you again, bye.